Hi friends, welcome to my channel Started in Friend. Today I'm going to talk about this cryptocurrency, that is CHZ coin or chiliz coin. In this video I'll be talking about latest technical answers as well as I'll be talking about important levels. So watch the video completely without skipping or else you may miss important points. So you can see I'm in the monthly chart. So let us draw the trend lines. So you can see this is the support trend line and this is the resistance trend line. So you can see previously the candle started from support, went to resistance, and then continuously the fall is happening. So if you draw the trend line, you can see this is the resistance trend line and this is the support trend line. So within this channel pattern only the candles are moving up, and then you can see the breakout happened, and you can see the candles were falling continuously in this channel pattern. So this is the support and this is the resistance. Okay, so within this channel pattern only the fall is taking place. And previously you can see after the fall the candle started moving towards the resistance level, and from here already the candles have touched the resistance trend line. So the fall may take place, candles may come down and then again it may go up. So like this it may move in this downtrend channel pattern. Okay, so like this it may move, and then finally after the breakout candles may start moving towards the resistance level, which is around 1.10. so this will take some time, this breakout. Until then the candles will fall in this downtrend channel pattern itself. Okay, so if you go to the weekly chart also you can see very clearly that candles are falling, and previously you can see after the fall the candle started falling in this channel pattern, and then you can see it started moving in a upward direction after the breakout. Okay, and right now the fall is taking place, so candles may fall in this downtrend channel pattern. Okay, and after the breakout it will start moving in a upward direction towards this resistance level, and then fall may take place. So here also you can see after this fall you can see the breakout happened, and then candles went up to the resistance level, and then continuously the candles were falling in this channel pattern. So this is support resistance trend line, and after the fall and breakout again the candle started moving in this downtrend channel pattern. After the breakout it went up. Okay, so like this the candles are moving, can see that. And since the fall is happening, RSI is also confirming that fall is happening, and when the reversal takes place then you may see a breakout and candles may start moving in a upward direction. Okay, so now we'll talk about other important details about this cryptocurrency. So you can see the current price is $0.03343. It is down by 1%. Market cap is 344 million. Volume 24 hours is 61.68 million, and total supply is 10.29 billion. Circulating supply is 10 billion, and the holder count you can see 88.77 holders for this cryptocurrency. Rank is around 97. Around 593k users are following this cryptocurrency. So now we'll go to the chart and see whenever you see an opportunity, always use a stop loss to prevent any major loss. Suppose you can see when the candles were falling continuously in this channel pattern, and if you see a breakout here, so if you are entering here in this place, so you should have a stop loss below the resistance trend line, and you can see when the prices goes up, when the candle goes up you make profit. If it reverses you should exit immediately without losing a lot of money to the market. Okay, so loss would be small, profits would be big. And when the reversal took place, if you are entering here, you should have a stop loss above this resistance trend line. So you can see when the fall started, you can see profits would be big and loss would be small. Okay, that way you can make some good profits from this market. Okay, so always draw the trend line to find out support resistance level, so that you know where you should enter and exit the. Okay, and always use the stop loss. Okay, so wherever you take this opportunity, so always have a stop loss. Okay, so know the resistance and support trend line, and you know where the reversal take place and where you should make an entry. So by drawing trend lines you can find out that easily. Okay, so and always use a additional indicator for confirmation. Okay, so that's all for now. I hope you like this video. Please like, share, subscribe my channel, and this video is for educational purpose only, no financial advice. Do your research before you take up any decision. Thank you and have a nice day.